Hello all, welcome to Insights. How to remove the Aiboo.cc virus. I'm going to tell you that today. What happens if your mobile is infected with this virus? All the social media applications and all browsers will be hacked when infected. There is no antivirus application to remove this virus from your mobile. All browsers, whether it is Chrome or Firefox, will be hacked and it will open automatically with the site open. It will not be shown in any application manager as well. To identify this app, we need to install the hidden app detector and choose the hidden app list. It will list all unwanted applications and the strange ones. In my mobile, it was this Yem fashion gallery that looked very strange. So before uninstalling it, I thought to double check whether it is a harmful virus. So I analyzed this in a forum. Then I got it confirmed that it is 80% harmful. Then I decided to uninstall it. Choose from the detector list and select uninstall. Once you have removed it, you have to clear all the browser data one by one. I experienced this virus problem and I did all these steps and the issue got resolved. That's it. Your mobile is now IB virus free. If you like this video, like it and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.